Hello friends, welcome to Show Me's World, and today I'm going to teach you how to make the quickest fried rice in just 5 minutes and with just leftover rice and ingredients at home, and this is exactly you would get in the restaurant. So let's get started. In a hot wok, add 5 tablespoons of oil and then 5 chopped garlic. Once the garlic has turned light golden brown, it's time to add the marinated shrimp. I have marinated the shrimp with little bit of soy sauce already for 5 minutes, and I'm going to fry it for approximately 30 seconds, and you can see that the color of the shrimp has turned light pink. Now it's time for me to crack up the eggs. I'm cracking up 2 eggs here, and then just stir fry the eggs nicely in the wok. Once the egg has semi-fried, it takes approximately 1 minute altogether. It's time for me to add the finely chopped green onions. Once I have stir fried the green onions for 30 seconds, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. After adding the soy sauce, mixing everything well together, and then it's time for me to add half a teaspoon of black pepper and salt to taste. Note that already the soy sauce is having salt, so please be cautious while adding the salt. And then finally I'm adding the leftover rice. This is 1 small bowl of leftover rice which I have actually used. This is basmati or the jasmine rice, whatever you want to use. And if you don't have leftover rice, you can obviously make rice when you're making the fried rice. But I would suggest you that it would be good if you could make fried rice with leftover rice or the rice which has been kept in refrigerator for approximately 4 to 5 hours at least, so that the rice is dry enough and does not get mushy. Once I've added the rice, I will stir fry everything well, and as you can see, I have also added little bit of Ajinomoto. This is optional to get added taste. So the quick and the easy with very simple and minimal ingredients which you will readily get at home is ready. The fried rice looks amazing, and trust me, this is so delicious. Wow, this looks so nice. I'm just ready to eat, and you don't need anything else to have this fried rice with, but you can make the honey chili garlic fish which I have already taught you in my previous video, and you can see it in my Dropbox, and you can have this fried rice with the fish and enjoy it. With or without, it's amazing. So friends, do try this recipe out and let me know how was it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Show Me's World. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.